Well, Masachi Obium, Yaguso official parliament in Mamisa Koso, Emma official part. This is the second edition, year 2022, Ghana and Nkomo, Achia and so Emuye. It's very, very important because I feel, you know, if you man yourself for no more home first quarter of this very year, if you ever saw back. But this year, young Kasaya, we are keeping the things right. Now, yes, I'm making sure, say, and your message Ghana ni, you know, or ye Magana Timijina Brand, and Sanya Kwama, because Macatro say to an more sender fata near her Sanamon to the bit me Gina na Achena Ghana. The way man yourself or Udia or no Mumba Sumi, because a Yadi Ubina Quenya for baby. Say, so, Ana onsu bitimi nya akwanya emanyo ma ensem fata etimisi o ma because makacho amanyoni no obesumi yen ya mesum no nti ya asomfo na nkasa no ya ntutu na mo asisi ya enoma bebre ha adwene de di kan meva de sede pa maka ka che school feeding secretariat no na no de omko ka che say finance minister and the ministry no ana mo release sika no and the sika no mo to ho ana mo yese mesrew say 2 times in car don't say normal sa nyoma na ya na ye Ghana na metiasem ade no kwa no abnormal say normal abadwumani wa wura bosumi 9 bosumi 3 bosumi enum ye ntua ka say normal na ye omo ye card no kwa no omo so sa omo regularize omo wura mu ye eba public sector service mi kwa no omo so aketua wonsem wonwonan bibia ya abnormal but oman no emu nipa bia de o masisi bia bi no fa normal ti mesre entia eba ne se caterers na bna da o mo ti atua sa Nkomo we ye dia from 17th of December 2021 abewura 2022 mo enough of the excuses and explanation because nipa bia no so be hu puntu a results nya kasa nya press releases memfa sa akwanya we so kran san kan chairman pen a teacher for na nkasa kran already they have their challenges also guso our promising promises bebrebe ne kwa enwie ho asem nkan yo you are still promising Mr. President eti tobo ase ne yan tackle the old promises ne kwa intimi enwie pay your endi mo no ansa no asa be promise teacher for housing there be you want the back kan ye no manwunan but ye mpesa promises ne bi na enough of the promises because the way the ka che kwa no say utu ho na mo a teacher for Ghana for nipa dodo na wo be hu nsakire wo abrabo ebi ni 1D 1F ebi ni one village one down ebi ni one village warehouse ebi ni free SHS who shebu kana ebi no man o keka de bebre o so let's concentrate on that because me personally kwara me catch me kase na wada ma say ni so de hu kama say a jam mo ni na bom no ene ne ye ena nyina eni subiri akai konyoma bi a o ka say obeye bia no ehu sikasem nya nkwadasem but you've jammed it ya jam policies na ni so de hu ne ya jam o man no ana ehu benkum from nifa de bia da yesu sika enso manage sika yi ti back to the caterers mesre school feeding secretariat se muntu na montem na eno nso ya dehia woni ko school no already yesu ku nsem kura na ya dehia won nsem no aye bisi basa we have a big challenge when it comes to education setup. It's not just about free SHS. It's a messiah, but any solution. It is a and pay attention to and your man come yadisha seminar dimwa and the how be ebeba. After Mamma, one so that's why I beg you, my yom so ye favor. The culture, afu be push mu in a we'll push all of you. The bar bedroom I'll be now, but double dog him now. As you say, oh, yeah, favor. 2022, we are not going to entertain that too. Make come what it go how about the end of the year? You know, I'm calling benchmarks when someone can and when some ebano and no more fancy. But 2022, your Ghana forced to teach about you for because private companies say, oh, yeah, you must continue to already open. It can't be possible because you're running in our session or Fuma, you're found in the so a cabinet and you wish you must in change. We don't have time. And then the cost of private institutions, no. You are relaxing about buying you mama. It may catch you, we minister BPA, we secretary, we one. Mukra, ebi no ho hiche bibia. Omo ho hiche bibia. Wo no ba be sese ebi obenya kwanya. Ebi ho hiche bibia. The obenya crash o the crack e ko ban pajo fata reja oko. Hwe. Wo the science fata 2022. Uka se foto reja okwa yes so na ko nipa be nyechire on person be adwuma no nya 2020 ye be so society man so me what ase We are dealing with ourselves and saying, "I man yourself for so." Because I saw no man be so hard to do. Oti aba adwuma mo sumie me ma ba me de ade e bro me betua kakwana da so wo phones Ghana for o tua de kana wo ka asem che no da so jane phones no ka but wo twen wa me twen na o ka se bre wo ho mo bia te se wo nya bre wa ba adwuma o gina phones a odi nkomo no o ko to aduru emergency na no gina phones odi nkomo but wo twen o se aduru be na ape o se o ko bu fuel no original phone so say dingo already there chance dey crowd boss say eni wo kwan say o use kasavide filling station as a gas station ono momutie obohu petrol no the diesel nam so ta we are no akubu ade fun agu kam o say pastor I'm sorry no it is only in this country they come I'm sorry but we don't change obu petrol no akubu diesel agu kam the obetima ka cho nya say I'm sorry no afa no we dey office no I'm sorry in 2022 if you want to be sorry reflect it in your job. Because you want to reflect it in your job, not the other. Because Ghana for do na nim chopaka. 1 second be a patrol. 1 second be a patrol. But crow where your patrol yes, sir. We can say sorry easily because we don't understand it and we don't mean it. A year ni no patrol. O patrol we are a chair 70 saying. A year ni no patrol. O patrol we are a chair 70 saying. Mestre yasa share another registration I say. SIM card registration and also a buffet tank keke. Bibia se ko hwe nipa ma de da monte so for SIM card registration. Ko hwe nipa ma. It's funny. Ko hwe nipa ma de da monte for SIM card registration. Na me da bia menti ase why team wo form there because we say Ghana card ya bobo yen se nyina mo so say fingerprint inti na ye the Ghana card for nyina nti no minim de mo amoye se adwuma no there's no way just this Ghana card and you must tap into that than say echo queue for hours. Most say much yeah. More frustrating too much. And you are frustrating na Ghana. So we are all frustrating ourselves. Sometimes moon devices certain easy means be ma nipa do do na hontimi because and also quiet man. I know you tokwa, I know you na we did we tell the chaos everywhere. Yeah, minim say apple how bet my first one there but me catch us no achi no ukọ na edisa any question nim twa na on say twa wi a the Ghana card no there's no link I bet him there here na mo man kire mo mra because people are beginning to be worried spending 5 6 7 hours. What is this? Adie enti mesremwa yesu eduebu sa kwanya beda ho ma ekra na se biri wo ma ye be yen twintwen so abola a country of calculations we blast our match here come African Convention say ye calculate sa yen kwa na su nyame ana ye hye we ye pass we na we board draw na we goalless na we ko ayu ha na we say calculations in kwa yen ko prepared that. Everything that we do in this country, we have never gone prepared. Ya juma, ya brabo, ya Nkomo ayedi, introfa, ya Nko prepared. And we pretend that God is our savior. Now the Ghana Nkwa na sumi nyame. So, Mr. Mo, same card the whole sense, and mo hweda mo tu wana mo, and I drive for kokoro no so maba mo so. Mr. Mo drive for nkasa. Oma wo say no mo kasa ne the lawlessness aspect of what they do in terms of driving aspect. Oya driver ni a eno nche say your hu fi kwot na share na chimenti ase a driver for ni bi kura o te share ya fa dia cha ni se wakale chi driver ni be na driver jumeko na akwa na ni munyama bem o ti ha ya so unya driving wa manoni a can you go and do what you are doing in this country? Why can't we practice the good things that we want to go and do in others country in this country? Why can't we do that? Why identity ntimi nyesa Baby before man Ghana mu bia obi a provide service ama obia service provider bia no DVL phone number so for abasi DVL phone number si omode mama no for say be kanana mo si ayi medem na free be dey kokoso Goro boys na zan mu bu ni pasa and we know them. We don't want to pick them out and punish them. We don't want to ti misraw we are Ghana near 2022 makacho first quarter no Ghana for na yesi ye ho aduro wanya ho aduro a obi an obe ye ho aduro ya na yesi ye ho aduro obi an fom so so timi ka tell say ade we de enko yi when we start checking each other obo say one on motisro no they wouldn't have any choice and option than to follow you asa asa enye saade a ekwan ya force ya bo bra na ese ye pense sa wo my Ghana me de aswe walai enya de befa ensi aga by be me si aga 2022 because we cannot always say yeah de ye mfato ho a enyoma ensem fata no ho mfato ho ngebe na enyoma de ni munyama o my tumpo no de ya to atwene baabi there be the jadini a wudi dwanso no just push this in your brain this year ye push ya kopem se benya Ghana ni munyama no etu wo a wo si akwa bia wo push you aside we are customs officer, we are journalist, we are immigration, we are sojani, we are postini, we did dra, we are obia jubabia, we are biana, ensure that the Ghana factor is on. Yes, idea 2022 unsinimu. Achia mu ya can't check this time I said they see her branding. After 64 years and still counting, the Ghanaian who works in the public service or civil service or whatever service, the Ghanaian who works as a private person, you cannot continue to do the intricacy. You cannot continue to do the intricacy. We have a responsibility as citizens of this country to ensure that Ghana be found into my pa efra. Te me boko usi untie. Me boko usi untie. What does you try red light when you are still complaining that there's indiscipline? Also try red light. The basics, as I say, some basics require a year behind the road, drive any and so a drew short tie and no man san cashing. Sanyoma, a chamatiti, a behind the road, and none a Ghana for you, and park you quem, and Yinaquem, or Juma, and we are buying Sika because we are because when could draw we are because there's no punitive measure. But 2022, wakuku draw no akawonum, akawonsem, akawtrim. Because we are, you so ka ni asad what to ka. In 2022, because obia person di you. 2022, we don't want to travel to South Africa and London to ensure say compare a year I had sabia a debi. Now we to come back Ghana bi enye. Kole busu dan tan surgery. What do? Tan. Ya ka over the years, 3 years, even painting crabo dine. Urem kradia tan. You don't understand. Most of when you acquire more than human, no. Board chairman, director, general, chief executive, moon fire a lot of innovations in Bra. Moon change status quo. No. Don't let it be there no way, no. They are no end the day. They are had they are no way, no. They are Uber change no much as say mafia and kaba. Mamushi says Santo Kroma from mafia and cabana, yet you have over 2 years. Moon, I be travel to 2022. Who push you over. Comment you see a kwama Ghana and punto ne the kanko ache. This year, you see Ghana chia emuye no. When the ebe tini duane si ho, Ghana ejina brane, ubia ho ato no. Edebe sia na maka chiro say Ghana achia, but this year the ebe tini si ho. Ama Ghana fa no to papa efra. Afisha pa. Afise se ni edi adanse se Ghana na ye nyina ye pe no. The hospitals papa, the schools papa, yakwan papa, mebuno nya adwuma, afi bambo ho asem di mu awie pe fire service for die adwuma se fata okojuma, obi mfa pair approach roba mu quickly emma enkujina sorry dem nka ye hira wasafo ye huwa no kredie be part of the system. Ghana Water Company, ECG, yakotometer, mo sanka se ntua demudi answer ma be fix your meters. All these nonsense in this country and abnormal is becoming normal. Afisa say na eswati kra and as na free okra. And then you ask for your life. Make sure you're thinking positive for Ghana, for yourself, and for a year, baby, unyamedi wakupi. Ebeka sechi.